Some changes are coming to Durham Catholic schools in North Oshawa over the next few years, and we want to ensure our students and families know what is happening, so you are confident and prepared. Oshawa school changes. What you need to know. In 2022, the Oshawa Program and Boundary Study consultation began at Durham Catholic. The study was initiated due to increased growth in North Oshawa and due to the Ministry of Education announcement in July 2020 to replace Monsignor Dwyer Catholic High School. Through an extensive community consultation and engagement process, which included public meetings and various feedback channels, considerations and recommendations were compiled and brought to a board meeting in June 2023, in which the Durham Catholic Board of Trustees approved the Oshawa Program and Boundary Study recommendations. With the announcement of a new unnamed Durham Catholic Elementary School, an addition to St. Kateri Tekakwitha Catholic School, and a scope change to the new Monsignor Dwyer Catholic High School from a proposed grade 7 to 12 school to a grade 9 to 12 school, we engaged in further consultation to make several updates and revisions to the Oshawa Program and Boundary Study in the 2024-2025 school year. We'll now take you through a timeline of the upcoming changes. December 2024. In December 2024, the board made an important change. Families who were previously directed to go to St. John Bosco as a result of approved boundary changes in June 2023 were directed to return to St. Kateri Tekakwitha for September 2025. This decision was made possible thanks to ministry approval for a new Kedron school, a 6-room addition to St. Kateri, and the new Monsignor Dwyer being built as a grade 9 to 12 school instead of a grade 7 to 12 school as initially planned. January 2025, St. Kateri and French immersion updates. Then in January 2025, families received more good news. St. Kateri will remain a kindergarten to grade 8 regular track and French immersion school. Originally planned to become a kindergarten to grade 6 school, this change ensures continuity for students and families. St. Christopher and St. Thomas updates. Also in January 2025, plans to move grade 7 and 8 French immersion students from St. Christopher and St. Thomas to the new Dwyer were reversed. Since Dwyer will now serve grades 9 to 12, both schools will keep their grade 7 and 8 students. St. Thomas will continue as a kindergarten to grade 6 English regular track and grade 1 to 8 French immersion school. St. Christopher will be a kindergarten to grade 8 English regular track school once the current French immersion students conclude their time at the school. June 2025, unnamed Durham Catholic Elementary School approved boundary anticipated for September 2027 opening. Fast forward to June 2025, a new boundary for the upcoming Durham Catholic School was created. This boundary will take effect when the school opens in September 2027, pending ministry and municipal approvals. September 2027 anticipated boundary adjustments for St. Anne, St. John Bosco, and St. Kateri. When the new Durham Catholic School opens, which is anticipated for September 2027, school boundaries for St. Anne, St. John Bosco, and St. Kateri will also be adjusted. Students in kindergarten to grade 7 at the time of the Durham opening will move to their new schools. Grade 8 students will be surveyed the year prior, when they're in grade 7, to decide if they'd prefer to stay or transition to the new school. The plan for the grade 8 students will be based on the majority results from the survey. September 2027 anticipated. New Monsignor Dwyer Catholic High School location and programming. The new Monsignor Dwyer Catholic Secondary School will be located at Harmony Road and Green Hill, just north of the Del Park Community Center in Oshawa. It will serve grades 9 to 12 students, offering both English regular track and French immersion programs. Students who are within the Monsignor Dwyer boundaries will move to the new school location. These changes are designed to support growth, improve access, and ensure every Durham Catholic student in Oshawa has the best possible learning environment as we listen, learn, and live in faith together. Have questions? We're here to help. Visit our website or speak with your school principal for more details.